Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And when Windows 11 was released, one of the features that was on the taskbar for some of you, you might have seen it, you might have turned it off, was a chat feature. If you right click on your taskbar and go into the taskbar settings, you'll notice that there are, of course, switches for the widgets, and there's a task view and so on, but there's one called chat. If I turn it on, you'll notice that it's that little icon here. Chat was supposed to be something that they wanted people to use to kind of interact with each other based on Teams, and it would of course given like iMessage type capabilities. Now, after, of course, a while now that Windows 11 is out, it seems like this experiment is soon to be gone. In the latest versions of the insider builds, actually, when you look at the settings, some of you might see that the chat option is now gone. And apparently, Microsoft has decided that this will be disabled and removed from all Windows 11 operating systems at some point. So this pretty much is a failed experiment. What Microsoft says is that what they noticed is that for the most of the users, what they would do is just turn off the chat option so it disappears from your taskbar and never use it. So is there something else? Well, they'll be instead giving you a little icon that you can remove, of course, that would give you a simplified, free Themes feature that you could use. Microsoft Teams is of course, the equivalent to the Zoom platform if you want to make video conferences and so on. So they will actually have a simplified Teams for Windows instead replacing it, but the chat option will be gone soon. So I guess it didn't work out the way they wanted. And it's interesting when you think about it that Microsoft used to be pretty much one of the top messaging platforms with when in the times when we had MSN Messenger. If you guys remember, that was very popular. A lot of people were using that. But since then, they've never been able to have anything else. And, now today, people pretty much either use Facebook Messenger and things like that. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.